Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog where we give a little bit of value and not just full entertainment. Today I want to talk about, even though COVID has basically shut everything down for a second time, I have taken it upon myself to start streaming. I got a Twitch account a while back and I just finally started streaming. Already have about 30 people following me, which is awesome. I'm still rocking the Puget Systems PC. So, of course, I'm going to go ahead and give Puget Systems an amazing shout out for, basically sponsoring my stream. You guys are awesome. Something I noticed about basically every Twitch streamer, they all kind of have the same layout. It's either very minimalist or it's very gamer friendly, kind of looks like tech. I think probably the most original layout I've seen as far as streamers go is probably Dr. Disrespect. And I knew if I was going to be streaming, I wanted something very original and very kind of unorthodox and out of the box. This is what my streaming layout looks like. I've been playing Overwatch and Among Us and just chatting. I've had a lot of fun doing it. But my whole process did take a little bit of setup. And some people were asking me, how did I become a croissant? So I'm going to go through the entire process of how I set this up. Step one was to download Streamlabs for OBS. It was a very simple program to use, didn't take a lot of effort to set everything up. I think the part of this whole process that took the longest was actually creating the Photoshop layout that everything was tied to. I mean, once I had the Photoshop layout, I was able to add all these other pieces and it just kind of fit into place. Of course, over the course of the last 2 weeks of me streaming, I've made little tweaks, I've made updates. And it's every time I stream, it looks a little bit more professional and a little bit more unique. The layout alone wasn't enough for me, so I added animated GIFs I got off Giphy. There are standard GIFs and then there are stickers that you can download and use for these sort of things. So like the fire, my screen on the TV, the eyeball in the corner. So I'm just using GIFs to kind of bring everything to life. And honestly, it doesn't take up a lot of processing power to run GIFs on your OBS layout. So the next thing I wanted was to use something very unique as far as using my face streaming. So I chose a croissant. Now, Snap Camera is this incredibly easy to use application that allows me to use Snapchat filters directly into my stream. I used my webcam as the input feed inside a Snap Camera. Then in OBS, I chose the Snap Camera as my camera source. Because the Snapchat filter had a green background, it was very easy to chroma key it out. I just added a filter, removed it, put it into place, and now I'm a Snapchat croissant. Streaming. I named him Gluten. So inside of Streamlabs OBS, I went ahead and added my alerts and a counter goal for new followers. I want 50 by the end of the month. I'm at 30. We're doing pretty good. We're right on track to be able to hit that. And if you want to come check it out, I stream every Wednesday from 6 to 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time under Capon Design. And once I had that, I was done. That was it. I have created a couple of other pieces that basically run as bumpers for when I need to take, say, water breaks or music dance parties or, anything else I may need. Technical glitches, when things go wrong, maybe I need to step away. I want to have all of those assets as videos. I just went ahead and built them inside of After Effects, and now I can call them up whenever I need them to. And really, that's it. Probably the most extensive part of this entire process was setting up the general layout, which I just keep updating anyway. So I keep a Photoshop document ready to make little changes whenever I need to, or when I'm inspired to add or take something away. Well, anyway, that's all the time I have for this video. Be sure to like, favorite, subscribe, do all the different things on whatever social network you are currently watching this on. Shout out to Joel the Geek, Smiley, and Lewis. Thank you so much for being part of the community. We're getting really close to that 1,000 breaking point for this channel. My other channel has over 20K, so it was a little discouraging to having to start back from zero, building up this channel again. We're on our way. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.